me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I've been here with a HerGivenHair video, but I am back with this beautiful two-toned little short afro wig. This is the Cocoa Slade Curls wig, which is a 3B 3C texture lace front wig. Okay, and you see it literally looks so natural, guys. Like, I literally took such good time with plucking and customizing this wig. So I do actually already have a video about how I customize my wig, so if you are interested in watching that, you can click. I'll have it included in this video. This video I'm just going to be showing you guys how I install it and style it to get these curls. I use the Camille Rose curl maker, one of my favorites. So yeah, so I'm going to be showing you how I glue down the wig cap, the wig, how I do my little wash and go, all of that, so that I can get this bomb style. So if you guys are interested, just stay tuned, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel and following me on Instagram, be sure to do that right now. Okay, so here's the wig. Like I said, this is HerGivenHair's Cocoa Slade Curls unit. As you see, it has all this parting space. It is a 13 by 6 inch lace front, and it's 14 inches long. It has 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back, as well as adjustable straps and lace in the back. You see it's two-toned. It has a light brown, maybe a 27 color in the front, and a natural dark brown 1B everywhere else and at the roots. This is the curly texture, which is a 3B 3C curl pattern, and I got mine in a small cap size. So now I'm just going to take the wig cap that's close to my skin tone and put it over my ears, and I'm going to use this Got To Be Spiked Up gel to put right in front of my hairline. I do want to try to use the freeze spray. I've never tried it before, but I heard it has a great hold and it's good for if you plan on wearing your wigs for more than just a day. Now I'm going to use a blow dryer to dry down the glue and make it a little tacky. I actually did this step twice for extra security, and then I do the same process with the yellow Got To Be glue. Now I'm just cutting the front of the wig cap off and smoothing it down so it'll blend seamlessly. I'm actually going to use the end of a makeup brush, and then I'm going to use the touchdown edge tamer, and then this is going to help lay down the edges of the wig so it doesn't roll up, or so that there's no line of demarcation. Now I'm going to put the wig on. Like I said, it is already customized. I already bleached the knots and plucked everything. If you want to see a video on that process, I'll have it included in this video. I'm just going to start by putting it in a ponytail so that all the hair is out the way for when I use the Got To Be to actually lay down the wig. right now I'm just blow drying the front of it again. This will help, 1, keep the edges in place, and 2, keep your wig laid down throughout the day. So yeah, I would definitely blow dry my edges after I do them. And then I'm just going to style the hair, and I'm going to take it section by section and spray it with water, and I'm going to be using the Camille Rose Curl Maker to define the curls of this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. These are the final results. I'm literally in love. This looks so real, and I love the length. I love how it sits right above my shoulders and not on my shoulders, because I hate hair. I hate hair touching my neck. I hate hair going down my back. So this is the perfect length, and it's so cute. Like, I'm literally in love, okay? So yeah, I hope that this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. I know that there's tons of installing your wig videos on YouTube, but this one, I just did it different with this one. Like, this one, it looks so good. Like, I'm literally in love. And then I just put a little clip here because I like it behind my ear. So yeah, I have the information on this wig in the description box below. If you guys have any more questions, just be sure to comment, and I, of course, will answer you. Thank you guys so much for watching. And like I said, if you're not already subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten, then definitely be sure to do that right now because you're missing out, girl. Okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!